Hello. Hello, how are you, YouTube? How's it going? So today we're gonna be talking about basic market structure and all the basic things you need to know about the structure in order to understand how the forex market moves. So let's start off with consolidation. So basically when we have a range like this where price doesn't show a direction, it just stays in the same way, it goes up, down, and it doesn't break your high or your low. That's what we call it consolidation. When we find scenarios like this in the forex market, the correct thing to do is do nothing. Why? Because if you don't have a clear market structure, you won't be able to understand whether today you're going to be buying or if you're going to be selling. So it's just impossible for you to know what price is going to want to do. So when you see this type of market structure, you won't do anything at all. So starting off, we're going to start off with what is a bullish trend? How to identify a bullish trend? When we look at market structure and we find how to identify a bullish trend, we first start off with the main things that a bullish trend will have that will tell you would be that market structure would be leaving you high, a lower high. So it will be leaving you a lower higher than the other one that was previous left, and then also you would know because price would be leaving a higher high. So this high is higher than this one, and this high is higher than this one, and this high is higher than this one. And when you complement it, you're gonna see how this is how price moves. So it leaves you a higher high, a lower high, higher high, lower high, higher high, lower high. And that's how you identify if you're gonna be buying. If you see a trend like this in the forex market, you're positive that you can buy and go with the trend. Also, when you go into the forex market, that's not the only trend you're gonna be facing. We also have a bearish trend. Now, what is a bearish trend? Well, it's very simple. A bearish trend, how will you identify? Well, you would know because price will leave you a lower high. It will leave you a lower high. It will keep leaving you a lower high. Why? Because this high is lower than this one, but it's a high. Not higher than this one, but it's lower. And it's high because it's on the top. Therefore, telling you that the market structure is giving you a bearish trend. But the most important thing is because after the lower high is formed, it gives you a lower low. Why is this a lower low? Well, it's very simple because this low is lower than this one, and this low is lower than this one, and this low is lower than this one. Therefore, we can say we're in a bearish trend because it's giving you the confirmation that the price is in a downtrend, giving you a lower low and a lower high, lower low. So that's how you would basically identify what is basic market structure. Now, for more videos, follow me and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I will also be posting what is liquidity. Stay tuned and thank you so much for watching. This is basic market structure. Have a good one.